Hello and welcome. This is a sandwich called How to Make a Poppy Seed Sesame Bagel Egg Sandwich. First thing you gotta do is you crack the eggs into the cup, and you can see that the bagels are already in the toaster and they're popped. So what I can do is set them up, the bagels, and the paper towel, and we put the eggs in the microwave. Put on 110, mid-10 that is. And after that, you put on the mayonnaise. We're waiting for the eggs to cook. Waiting for them to be ready. Okay. Now what we can do is paste the egg, we put together, and here is your poppy seed sesame bagel egg sandwich. Enjoy it, folks.